I swear, it looks like he just crossed over to this near track.
Okay. I see it now.
Frank?
Huh?
It looks like he just crossed over to the near track.
Okay.
That's the one that... What you call it's on? You see it? Frank. Frank.
Huh?
He's on the same track as the Amtrak.
Oh, he is?
Yes. Unless that switch is thrown right there. And I can't tell. I think it is. So I think he'll be crossing over right there. Frank?
He said he's coming in on D3. Hey, how you doing?
Hey. I don't care what number it is, he's on this near track. But I think the switch is thrown, he's going to cross over. That's what it looks like.
I tell you what, he's doing Honda G3, that's it.
We'll know in just a second. He's crossing over right here, Frank. Yep. How's that for some filming? SD70, man. ACEs. You taking stills?
Yes, sir. My brother was up at Lee Hall Mansion today.
Sir?
My brother was up at Lee Hall.
Oh, was he?
He got a video coming through.
Tell you what, I'd swap emails with you if you send me some stills. I'll send you some video. Hey Frank, have you seen a better shot yet? Hello, young lady. Huh? There's some guys hanging out up here.
Sad to see this thing go.
Sir?
Sad to see this thing go.
Yep. What does Rhett look like? Is that Rhett? Thanks, buddy. This is the best one we got all day. Oh yeah. I want copies of that. We'd have been long gone if he hadn't have told us, you know that? Oh my God, yes. Yeah, but he ain't going nowhere till that train gets out of his way. Hello there. Hello, ladies. Oh, look, a baby boy. Yeah, I caught it leaving Norfolk this morning at 7:30.
Oh, did you really? My brother tried to get it in Wakefield, but he didn't. He left about 5 minutes.
Well, we went up to Williamsburg, sitting next to the tracks to catch it coming through there, and one of us fell asleep.
Oh no!
And we got the back half of it.
Oh.
But he got me to here, so.
That's good. Where y'all from?
From Portsmouth. I live in Portsmouth. He lives in Hampton.
Okay, good.
It's amazing to me. I got this, I don't know how many dollar video camera.
Yeah.
With this little GoPro
yeah.
clone.
Yeah, yep. Does the trick.
$15 camera.
That's the way to do it.
It don't zoom in and out, but it
That's all right.
actually takes a clearer picture. Hey Frank, there's all them animal cages I told you about. See them? Where's he at? I'm amazed at how clear this thing shoots.
That's great.
It's just all you get, the view you get, though.
That's right, right, exactly.
But on a clear day like today, this one here will take some pretty good pictures too.
That's what I can do for paper. There's my email address. I'll put it right there on you.
Oh, I got pen and paper in the car.
I gotta get ready to go. So.
Oh, okay. Let me make sure I got it right. ABRITCHETT1 at cox.net. Okay.
Yep.
And you'll have my email when I finish.
I'm Aaron.
Aaron?
Yes.
I'm Charlie.
Nice to meet you,
That's Frank.
I work in the shipyard. I do video work, so I work with big cameras.
He used to work in the shipyard for years.
Really?
I worked over there for General Electric for years.
Okay.
Way back. We're both retired now, so we can do this stuff.
That's
you know.
Great. That's what you should do. Enjoy it.
Oh, we have model trains too.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's great. I guess you've been to the one in York County, right?
Say again?
You've been to the one in York County?
Up 17?
Yeah.
That's my club.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
I know Mr. Chu. You know Mr. Chu?
Not by name.
Holman. Mr. Holman.
Yeah. Take it easy, sir. There it is, pulling in the yard at Hampton.
What are we going to do about that rock train in Hampton?
Hang on.